Okay, we're back here at Cowboys OKC in the women's bathroom this time, and as you can see, our toilet flange is broke actually on both sides. So we're going to clean this guy up, and then we'll get to work on it. Okay, we're going to use the 3D Plumbing Products Toilet Flange Repair Kit on this. I'm going to unpackage it here, and then we'll get to work on it. And it should go on pretty easy, I'm thinking here. We got the tabs and we got the things. And I'm going to put one on. I think it'll go on perfect on this side right here. We can get it on, and then I'm going to tap it around both ways here. I think that these will just simply go by tapping. And put something there. Let's see. Hitting something right there. I can see it bunching up on me. Get the putty knife and clean that out a little bit right there where that trash right there is bunching up on me. But once we get past that trash, I think we'll be all right. It's right there. All that trash there. Okay. I think that that'll get us where we need to go. I'm in a confined area here too, but we shall see if that's gonna, yeah, once we got past that part, I think that it'll be okay. I said to tap that on there. I actually want these rails to line up. I guess I tapped it a little too far. But I'm gonna get the other one on. Yeah, that's why I had to do that. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and tap this one past where it needs to go. That way I can get these other ones to slide on. Then I'll tap that one back in place. And I think we'll be all right with that. I'm gonna tap this side around and this side. Get these two lined up. I think this one will just tap around pretty easy. The other one should just follow it as we're doing it. Of course, this has to go under that. We don't really want to pry up on it, but I got a putty knife here, and maybe if I put that putty knife there, it'll help us along a little bit. We don't have to go too far here. And then we want this side to go. So I'm just alternating sides since I didn't have a whole lot of room there for it to work with. And we'll just continue to move that guy around there as we tap him around. And same will be for this. We'll just tap. Yeah, it's gonna stay on there. There it goes. Okay. Now that one's one to slide freely. Let's see. That one slide freely. We'll just tap this one. Almost where we're lined up. Like I said, this one's sliding freely over here, so we just move it by hand until we line these rails up. And so again, that one's tap in there. And we shall make sure that it's on there like it's supposed to be. Looks like it's a little bit off there. So we'll line those guys up like that. And just a little bit more, and we'll have enough room to put our bolts in right there. So this guy needs to come over a little bit more, and there we go. We just stick the screwdriver in there, or you can just tap it lightly. And the screw holes are lined up. We're gonna get the package here with the flatheads in it. Put the two halves together, and then we'll set the steel bolts and be ready to set our toilet that fast. Okay. We won't use the grubs on this one because that flange is setting pretty tight. And of course, we just screw the one piece screw to one side there. We don't want to get it too snug yet till we get this other one, because we may have to move it just a little bit to line them up. Actually, it's going right in, so they're lined up perfect. We'll just snug it down. Don't have to over tighten at all, just snug, and we are ready to set our stool bolts. And after that, we'll set our wax and our... Okay, we got the bolts set, wax on. We're getting ready to set the toilet and hook it up, and we'll show finished product, or toilet set after we're done. This is finished product on the flange repair kit, but it's complete. Okay, there's a video of the finished product. The toilet's in and set. It's a little dirty, but they're gonna clean up here in a little bit.